In digital fundamentals and architectures, we are going to see binary addition, binary subtraction, binary multiplication, and binary divisions. So, before we are going to see what is binary addition, we should know what is decimal numbers and what is binary numbers. Decimal numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These numbers are decimal numbers which is used in our day-to-day life. Binary numbers are 0 and 1 only. So binary addition is operation of summing numbers in binary form. So binary form means one like this. For example, 101 plus 101 is equal to 1010. So this is binary form. So like this we are going to add some numbers. Okay, it works like normal additions, but the digits are only in zeros and ones. So if the sum exceeds 1, if you have to carry 1 to the next bit. Before adding numbers, we should follow some rules. The rules are here. 0 plus 0, the result will be 0, the carryover will be 0. And 0 plus 1, 1 plus 0 means the result will be 1. Okay, the carryover will be 0. 1 plus 1 means the result will be 1 0. The result will be 1 0. So we can take a 0 as a result, 1 as a carryover. Next, the last one, 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is means 11. The result will be 11. So we can take one as a result, another one as a carryover. Okay, let's see the example. Here I given two numbers to add. 0, 1, 1, 0 and 0, 1, 1, 1. So let's start the addition from the right side. 0 plus 1, as per the rule, 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 10. So we take 0 as a result, 1 as a carryover. Next, 1 plus 1 plus 1, the result will be 11, 1, 1. So we take 1 as a result, another 1 as a carryover. The last one, 1, 0, 0 means the result will be 1. We take a carryover 0. Okay, so don't consider this 0 as a result, because if there is only 1 means we taken a result. Okay, so the final result is 1, 1, 0, 1. The next one, subtraction. What is binary subtraction? So this is also the normal arithmetic operation of subtraction, so that we do with our numbers. So binary subtraction is a process of subtracting binary numbers. So it includes 0 and 1 only. Okay, the rules have to be followed. If we are subtracting 0 from 0, the result will be 0, and 0 minus 1, the result will be 0. We have to borrow 1. Another one, we have to subtract 1 minus 0, the result will be 1. The will be 0. 1 minus 1 means the result will be result and borrow will be 0. Let's see the example. Here I taken 1 0 0 1 0 1 0. We have to subtract 1 0 1 double 0. Okay, 0 minus 0 0, 1 minus 0 1, and 0 minus 1. That means we have to borrow number from the nearest number. Okay, so I take one from the nearest number, so it will be 1 0. So the result will be 10 minus 1 1. Here 0 0 minus 0 0. So here also 0 minus 1, so we have to borrow number from the nearest number. That number also 0, so we just look at to the another number. It will this is 1, so we can get in a borrow from here. Okay, so just get in a borrow. This 0 will get that borrow. Okay, so here will 1 0. Next we get borrow from this number. So here will be 1, here 1 0. Okay, so 1 0 minus 1 1 1, here 1, here 0, there is no consideration. So this is subtraction. So this is the final result of these numbers. Okay, 110, 110. Next one, binary multiplication. So the binary multiplication is like our normal multiplication method. So here we just need to multiply each digit of one binary number to each digit of another binary number. Finally, add them all together to get the final result. We have to follow some rules, right? So here the rules are 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0, 0. So that anything into 0, it will be 0. Okay. Next one, 1 into 1, 1. For example, I took multiplicand 11101, multiplier is 1001. Okay, we should start from 1. Okay, 1 into 11101 means the result will be 11101 and 0. Next, I will take 0. Anything into 0, it will be 0, right? So here the results are there. Okay, next one, 0. Here also the result will be 0. Next one, last one, 1. I took 1 and multiply with these numbers, the result will be 11101. Okay, next one, finally we have to add these numbers by the rules binary addition. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 10, 1 plus 1 plus 1, it's 11. Okay, so let's add 1. There is no number to add with 1, so we take 1 as a result 1. Okay, 0 0 0 and 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1. It will be 10, 1 1 10, right? 0 as a result, 1 as a carry. Here also 1 1 0 0 0 means 1 plus 1, 10, 0, 1 will be carry. As like that, I done for these digits. The final product is 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1. So this is how we done multiplication in binary multipliers. Okay, the next one, binary division. So the binary division is operation is similar to the base 10 decimal system except the base 2. The division is probably one of the most challenging operations of basic arithmetic operations. So generally we are doing a division operations in our integers, it will be difficult for us sometimes. Okay, but here in binary operations we are going to use different kind of ways to solve division problems. So here one problem is most efficient way and the one easiest way is a long division. So let's see the rule first and then we can go for an example. The rule is here, dividend and then divisor the result. Okay, 0 divided by 1, 0, 1 divided by 1, 1. Okay, division by 0 is meaningless, so no need to consider it. Okay, next one, example. So here I given a two example here. Let's see one example, 101 101. Okay, this is the dividend. Another one, 101 is a divisor. Okay, if I am taking this one only means there is no way to divide. Okay, so I took first three digits for division. Can you understand? 101, 1 into 101 is equal to 101. Okay, so the result will be 0. Why? Because 0 means we are going to minus 101 from 101. Next, I will took another 1. The 1 never to be divided by 101. So I just add 0 and take next digit 0. The 10 also can't be able to divided by 101. So again I added to 0. Next I took 1. I added here. So here 101, it can be possible to divided by 101. So next the operation will be 1 into 101. It will be 101. The result is 0. and then quotient is 1001. So this is how we done the division in binary format. Okay, thank you.